So here you go. Body cameras on police officers. They're supposed to be protecting both the officer and the citizen, right? Well, think about this. Is there an invasion of privacy issue here? Should these videos be exempt from freedom of information? There's a lot of things to be vetted out here. Jimmy Angelino is an enforcement expert. He's a former cop turned, yes, I have to tell you, turned attorney. Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah, where's the dun, dun, dun music?
Jimmy, good morning. How are you?
Great. How about you?
Good. So what do you think on this? I mean, this was supposed to be the fix-all. This is going to fix all the problems with the latest issues that we've had with police shootings, but there's more to it, right?
Yes, there is. A lot of times when something like this happens, and what I mean by happens, using cameras, people forget that there is also a drawback to it. And just like you said earlier, and they may feel that their privacy rights may be violated, which unfortunately, when you call the police, I'm not exactly sure that occurs.
Right. I mean, if you're letting them in, if you call them, your privacy is pretty much gone, right? I mean, you have welcomed them in.
That's correct. I think the situations that they were talking about, at least that I have seen, were, let's just say that it's suicide. And you're showing or recording how the family's acting. Or maybe if it's a burglary and you go inside and in someone's house, they may feel that they have privacy rights while you're entering their house, which I don't believe that they do.
Well, you also have the issue of, I mean, photos are taken in a crime scene. Photos will be taken. And oftentimes those photos can be a part of freedom of information, right?
That's correct.
Yeah.
And the videos probably will be, too.
Right, right.
I have to say, though, it's different. I couldn't imagine somebody filing a FOIL request for, a breaking and entering. You just don't hear
I don't know.
of that.
I think that would be potentially entertaining.
You just don't hear about that.
Yeah.
But however, if somebody of note, I don't know, I don't want to use the Kardashians as an example, but if there's some incident at the home where there's video and you have like streaming video inside the home, I would say that's definitely an invasion. I understand you're calling the police.
Right, and so what if you don't call the police? What if your neighbor calls the police because they hear something crazy going on at your house? The police come and, there's Aunt Molly and her moo-moo, and she just, dropped a plate of spaghetti in the middle of the night and made a loud noise.
Right.
I'm sure that Aunt Molly and her moo-moo would object to, a live stream of her sitting there.
Well, and I don't think, though, at the same time, I don't think that cops are saying, okay, hey, check out, they're not releasing public video of, Aunt Molly and her moo-moo. I mean, they're using it for potential
live stream,
evidence.
though.
Live
If it's a
streamed.
live stream.
But I don't get why they would that would be necessary.
Hey, Jimmy, tell me, where's the ACLU on this one?
Well, they're one of the ones who went and said that they have a problem with some people's privacy, but they're also probably the same people who were complaining and wanted police officers to have the cameras.
Right, you can't make anybody happy nowadays.
No, and you also have to look at it is what the police policy is going to be. Are they going to be running 8 hours a day, or not stopping, or are the police officers turning them on and off? Some people.
Yeah.
Okay.
I wonder, Jimmy, if it should be some sort of automation where they come out automatically when a call is made. But if you're expecting, wasn't there a case somewhere in Mexico where a police officer had to shoot someone? He said that the guy pointed a pistol at him, pointed a gun at him. He shot and killed the guy, and he failed to turn on his camera. So he was fired for that reason, right?
Yeah, that's the problem when you say turn it on, let's just say every time there's a call.
Yeah.
Something may happen very quickly, and you don't have the time to turn on the camera. Or because of the stress of the situation, you forget.
Right. It's not like you can call a timeout and say, wait a minute.
Hold on, hey, freeze, I got to turn on my body cam. Hold on, stop running.
I mean, you got some situations, but this guy was fired. This police officer was fired. So, and I believe it was a judge's son or something. It was relation to a judge there who was actually shot and killed. I believe that was the story. All right, good stuff. Jimmy Angelino, thanks for the time. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Take care now.